from Standard 8 Science subject, lesson number 1, Living World and Classification of Microbes. The topic that we are going to see today is about protozoa. We have seen that microorganisms are classified into these 4 groups, and they are on basis of how is their cell. If the cell of the microorganism is prokaryotic, then it is bacteria. Eukaryotic cells will be present in 3 types of microorganisms. So we are going to see them in detail. We have seen bacteria in the last video in detail, the characteristics. Now we are going to see the characteristics of protozoa. Protozoa are slightly bigger than bacteria. Their size is approximately 200 micrometers. The bacteria are almost 1 to 10 micrometers. Protozoa are 200 micrometers. Hence, some of them can be easily seen because of their size. These protozoas, where they are present in soil, in fresh water and in seawater. Some of the protozoa are pathogenic. Pathogenic means they will be harmful to other plants and animals. So, if the protozoa are pathogenic, then they will live in the body of some other organism. They will need the body of some other organism for their survival. Talking about the cells of protozoa, some protozoa are unicellular, made up of single cell. Some may be, if they are unicellular and their cells are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means well developed cells with different cell organelles. Protozoa will show difference, will show variety in their cell structure. They will show variation, means variety in their cell structure. Locomotory organ means the part for which they use for locomotion, for movement. Their mode of nutrition is also different. Mode of nutrition means how and what type of food they eat. Protozoa reproduce by simple cell division, means one protozoa cell will divide into 2, then each 2 of them will grow and divide further in the same way. Examples of protozoa are amoeba, paramecium and euglena. The pictures of these examples you can see in your textbook.